Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to convert a Word document to a PDF. If this video is helpful to you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Here we have a Word file on the desktop. Let's double-click to open it. This example is a resume, but the process is the same for any document. What you need to do is save your file in a different format. First, click on File. Then click on Save As. Choose this PC, and then select Desktop. A window will open for you to save the document. Give your file a name, and right below, you'll see a Save as Type option. Click on it, and a list of formats will appear. Look for PDF and select it. Then, click the Save button. Now your file is successfully saved as a PDF. If this video is helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel.